Hello there, esteemed business professionals. Have you ever tried navigating the labyrinth of government processes to get a trademark file? We've all heard how slow and cumbersome it can be. Now, let's talk about an easier, more efficient solution for all of you in Colorado when it comes to trademark filing. But first, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about topics designed to help save you time and money. Did you know that approximately 60% of businesses find the trademark process to be a daunting task? And an overwhelming majority of these businesses, around 70%, find it time-consuming, leading them to make mistakes that can cost time and money. That's where our organization steps in. Welcome to legalregistration.com. We take pride in being the #1 third-party organization in the USA that provides trademark application filing services. When you partner with us, you are getting the cream of the crop, the best of the best, to ensure that your trademark application in Colorado is handled with the utmost care. Here's why business professionals like you are choosing us over diving into the government's trademark processes. We know the ins and outs. Our expertise can ensure that your application is complete, accurate, and timely. Time is money. With the government's processes, you might find yourself waiting, and, well, you get the point. But with us, you get efficiency without the annoying wait. Mistakes can be costly. We help reduce the chance of errors, giving you peace of mind. Fun fact, businesses that have worked with us have reported a much higher satisfaction rate compared to those who went solo. So, Colorado business professionals, if you are looking for a seamless trademark application process, all you need to do is visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts at 877-955-7111. Also, what type of business do you run or plan to operate? Drop a comment below and let us know your exciting plans. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to protect your time and money.